With Office 365, you can add a domain name like contoso.com and use it for your email. You can add more domain names too, like contosoevents.com. Let's take a look. In the Admin Center, select Setup, Domains. We already have a domain name here, but let's add another. Select Add a Domain and add the name. Select Next. If your registrar is GoDaddy, you'll sign in with your GoDaddy account. If you have a different registrar, you can send a code to the registered contact of your domain and enter it here. For this example, let's use GoDaddy and select Next. Type your GoDaddy username and password, then sign in. Choose Authorize. To update your DNS settings automatically, select the first option. If your website is hosted somewhere else, or you have custom DNS settings, choose the second option to add the record yourself. Select Next. Your new domain name has now been added to Office 365. It will show Setup in progress for now, but once active, it will show Setup complete. You can start using your new domain in your emails, meetings, and more.